How to turn on keyboard light on your laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on keyboard lights on your laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you will need to check is that if you have lights under your keyboard, so make sure that the model of laptop you use does have an lighting system under your keyboard. So you can check that online, or you can check that on your specs of your laptop as well. After doing that, if your keyboard is backlit, you should see an icon like this under the functions key. You can see it on F2, F5. It completely depends on your laptop. So if you find a key like this, you can just tap on that. So if that does not work, make sure that you tap on this Fn key as well. Tap on the Fn key and then your F5 key to simply just turn on or turn off the lights here. Now as you can see, the lights are turned off right now, and if after I tap on the F5 button, the lights are now turned on. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Now depending on your key, if you tap on the Fn button and then the arrow button, the lights can change as well. So it completely depends on the model of laptop that you use. And that is basically all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.